In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove idle time in Hubstaff. If you want Hubstaff to stop keeping idle time in your tracked hours, this is a quick setting you can adjust in just a few clicks. Idle time usually refers to periods when there's little or no keyboard or mouse activity, so changing this option can affect how time is recorded for your team. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the setting and what to select. To begin, open Hubstaff and go to the main navigation area. From there, click on Settings. This is where Hubstaff stores organization level controls, including options related to tracking behavior, time management, and how the desktop timer handles inactivity. Once you're inside settings, look for the section called Activity and Tracking and click into it. This area contains the monitoring and tracking preferences that determine how Hubstaff records work activity. If you're trying to manage how inactive time is treated, this is the right place to be. Next, click on Time and Tracking. This section focuses specifically on timer-related settings, including how time is captured and whether idle periods are preserved or removed. If you manage a team, it's a good idea to review settings in this area carefully, since even a small change can impact reports and payroll calculations. After that, find the option labeled Keep Idle Time and click on it. This setting controls whether Hubstaff keeps periods of inactivity as part of tracked time. In other words, it determines what happens when someone leaves the computer idle while the timer is still running. Now, click on Never. Selecting Never tells Hubstaff not to keep idle time. That means inactive time won't be retained in the same way, helping ensure your tracked hours better reflect active work time. After making this change, it's a smart idea to pause for a moment and confirm that the setting now shows the updated selection. If you're making this adjustment for an organization, remember that this can influence how time entries appear going forward, so it may be helpful to let your team know about the update. And that's it. You've successfully changed the idle time setting in Hubstaff, so idle time is removed by choosing Never under Keep Idle Time. This is a simple but important adjustment if you want cleaner activity records and more accurate time tracking.